Hi, I'm Andy Savva, the Garage Inspector and a proud ambassador for VARTA batteries. In this clip, I will explain how batteries are at the heart of the vehicle and an important component that must be maintained and looked after to perform the required functions on today's complex vehicles. Testing batteries on every vehicle that enters your workshops is a simple yet effective way of ensuring your customer stays safe and moving on the road. Not only will this increase customer satisfaction, but also the opportunity of a battery sale, providing your workshops with extra revenue, as the more batteries you test, the more will need to be replaced. The battery experts at VARTA recommend using their exceptional VARTA partner portal as part of the find, test, sell and fit process. Let me explain. Find, locate the battery of the vehicle. It's not often underneath the bonnet anymore. Test, check every vehicle battery entering your workshops with a modern, reliable tester. Sell, ensure if a new battery is required, it's the right type. Remember, AGM or EFB are needed for start-stop vehicles. Fit, use the VARTA partner portal for step-by-step instructions for accurate fitment and, if required, coding the new battery to the vehicle. By following this best practice advice, you can be sure you are giving your customers a first-class service when their vehicle enters your workshop. It should only take a few moments to test the battery, so remember, it is a very worthwhile procedure on every vehicle.